Good afternoon, guys. First, I would like to introduce myself. Myself, Dr. Ananda Jagannath Madne from. Basically, I am from Maharashtra, but presently I am working as assistant professor in domain of agronomy in Tirthankar Mahavar University in Hyderabad. And mostly, just today, I am going to deliver the online video regarding to how to cultivate lentil in northern India, especially in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Bihar, Haryana. And then we start about the actual topics, that is the crop production technology of the rabi crops. First, you know that is a crop. What is meant by crop? Matlab those plants which is grown for the farmer for the economic purpose. That is the definition of crops. And what is the definition of rabi crops? If you consider those crop grown in the month of from October to the March in the winter season, that is called as rabi crops. And most important things I would like to start from this next slide. Lentil is one of the crop which is grown in the Rabi season. It has more nutritious value. First we can see that is a botanical name, lexical name, C family, Fabaceae, chromosome number 40. Next, introductory part. This is the pulse crop which fixes atmospheric nitrogen. Important big pulse crop because it has frost resistance capacity. Matlab those pulse crop we cannot cultivate in frost conditions. These crops can be survive in frost resistance, and that's why this is the most important crops in winter season. Used as a cover crops, it has a profuse branching habit. Therefore, it covers more land, and that's why it protects the soil from erosion, wind erosion, water erosion. Next, it as a cover crops, it reduces the cost of cultivation on the weed management. Means due to the cover of entire land, there is a less weed population we found in this plot. And mostly it is as a dal. Means you can see that is a dal makhni is a famous dish in the northern India, and that's why this is the most important thing. This is mostly eaten as a dal. Next, deer is the morphology of the seed. The deep orange red and orange yellow is the color. Lentil consists of about 11% water, 25% protein, and 60% carbon. If we consider those people, they are vegetarian. There is a most important source of the protein, that is the pulses crop, and that's why we have to discuss that is the most important crop which is cultivated in north. That is because rich in protein, 25%. Next, if we consider original historical background of this lentil, first Eastern Mediterranean, that is Asia Minor, Greece, Egypt, it is the origin of this lentil crop, and later introduced in Europe, Africa, America. Must means first we have so the origin is Asia Minor, but it is originated in other countries, that is Europe, Africa, and America. It belongs to family Leguminaceae, chromosome number 14. Economic importance, if you see the lentil crop, there is a risk minimizing crop for dryland agriculture. Generally, if you consider in Uttar Pradesh, if you consider Bundelkhand region, there is the most majority these crops is cultivated, and most important it is cover crops. It protect the soil from the wind erosion, water erosion. Okay. Holes first in the some dishes that is eaten as a dry leaves, stems, empty pods, broken bits as a cattle feed. Rich in calcium, iron, and niacin, contributes near about 6% total pulse production in India. If you consider total 100% of the among the pulses, 6% contribution of these lentil in the pulse crop production. Next, India, Turkey, Syria, Pakistan, Spain, Bangladesh is the area production. मतलब first country has leading area in production, that is India. After that, Turkey, Syria, Pakistan. India ranked first, and Turkey is the area in production as compared to the Turkey. If we consider northern place like central and eastern India is the having a major area production. Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. These are the states which cultivate the lentil in the Rabi season. Area near about 1.46 million hectares. Production near about 108 million tons. Next, climatically, if we consider climate, and basically it is a cool season crop. It is grown in Rabi season. Therefore, if we consider cardinal temperature range, it requires cold climate. Lentil is not affected by the rain at any stage. It can be raised with the moisture and conserved during the monsoon period. It is a very hardy plant. It can tolerate the frost weather. You can consider here the most important point why it is tolerate the frost, because it has capacity to survive in the frost condition. Because if there is a frost condition, the other pulses cannot grow, but in that condition only lentil crop we can cultivate. Next, it requires colder temperature during vegetable growth and warm temperature at the time of maturity. Optimum temperature for growth is 18 to 30 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next, soil requirement. Lentil is adapted to all soil types from sandy loam to, if there is a good interval drainage, lentil is cultivated in North India. Light loamy alluvial soil is the most suitable for this cultivation. Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, well-drained, moderately deep block soils, also most because it has more water holding capacity. And generally, lentil is grown in dryland condition. Punjab and irrigated lands also most suitable for this crop. This crop is suited to the poorest types of the soil, soils of the moderate liquidity. Well-drained soil because it is pulse crop, it fixes advanced nitrogen. That's why well-drained soil is important. Loamy soil with a neutral reaction are best for lentil cultivation. Acid soils are more fit for the growing of lentils. Yield preparation most important for the successful growth of these plants and to get more yield. Firm and smooth feed bed is the most important. Previous crop residue income the best for lentil. Uneven surface, large crop, clods, rocks, and protein crop residue can interfere with the seed placement. Soil should be made friable, weed free so that seeding could be done in optimum way. There should be proper moisture into the soil. Cropping system followed in India: Kharif follow lentil, rice lentil, maize lentil, cotton lentil, pearl millet lentil, sorghum lentil, groundnut lentil, grown as a mixed crop with the barley, toria, mustard. If we consider seed and sowing practices of this lentil crop, mid-October is the best sowing time because there is a optimum temperature for the germination. That's why this is the mid-October is the best time for the sowing of the lentil. Next, if we consider spacing, crop geometry is the most important factor. Therefore, 30 centimeters spacing is between row is the most important. Seed rate near about 30 to 40 kg per hectare. Late sowing is near about 56 because in late sowing there is a less growth of the plant. That's why near about 50 to 60 kg. Seed rate is a less germination also affecting late sowing condition. That's why we have to go for to increase the seed rate. It is upgrade up to the 50 to 60 kg. If you consider spacing, that is a 20 to 25 row spacing is the most considered for this crop. Seeds are sown on broadcast in standing grass crop without any field preparation. Depth of sowing that is a 3 to 4 centimeter. Those are the cultivar or varieties which is suitable for our Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar region. That is the Pantel series, Malika, DPL series, L406, Sapna, Garima, WBL5, Priya, Shivalika, Pusa Vaibhav, JSL1, L4147, DQL15. These are the some cultivar used for the generally farmers for local farm. If you consider nutrient requirement, nutrient management, manuring on fertilizer required near about 20 to 25 kg nitrogen, 50 to 60 kg phosphorus required. If the soil is a medium to moderate soil, 20 to 30, 50 to 60 phosphorus is vessel tracing zinc sulfate at a rate of 20 to 25 kg at the time of sowing. If you consider foliar spray, there is you have to use the 0.5 concentration of zinc sulfate and 0.20 lime at early season. If you consider there are weed management is the most important cultivation practices. Sinopodium album, Lathra species, Visia sata, Amelian shalba, Kisemarba, Aloysius servant, two manual puddings, fully florian. These are the some normally grown without irrigation. Drought tolerance from one of the two is sufficient. First at the 45 days of the second pot filling stage. Harvesting any lentil should be sought when plants begin turn yellow and the lower parts become brown to yellow brown in color. This will occur in several layers should be carefully washed as the pods get readily shattered. Lentil should be swatched when there is a sufficient moisture to threaten the pod. Swathing should not be done during the hot and dry periods of the day. Yield near about 8 to 9 quintals per hectare is under irrigated condition. If you consider yield regarding to irrigated condition, it can be operated near about 20 to 25 quintals. These are the references for the preparation of this video. I have collected literature from these books are Modern Technology of Raising Field Crop, Chatta Singh, after the Agronomy of Field Crop, Explora Field SR Reddy, and these are the some website AgriInfo, kvkforestcrop.com. These are the some important. Thank you for the listening of this my class. Thank you.